Want cleaner layouts and better organization in your PDFs? Boxes help group related content together, improve readability, and create more structured document sections. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to organize content using boxes in Jotform PDF Designer. Let's get started. First, open your PDF template. Click Use Template to launch the editor. Once inside the PDF Builder, open the Add Element panel. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Basic Elements and Form Fields. The Basic Elements tab contains visual and layout elements that help structure and style your PDF. The Form Fields tab contains fields connected to form data, helping you automatically insert submission information into your document. Inside Basic Elements, you'll find tools like Text for written content, Heading for section titles, and Image for logos and visuals. You'll also find Line for section dividers, Signature for signable areas, Empty Space for spacing, and Section for grouping content. You'll also see Box, which helps visually group related items together, Page Break for controlling page flow, and Logo if you want to add your logo. Under Form Elements, you'll also find options like Form Title, Submission Date, Submission ID, and Submission IP. Today, we'll focus on Box, which helps organize related content into cleaner, more structured sections. Let's add one to the document. Simply drag and drop the box element into the PDF. Once added, you can start grouping related content together inside the box. For example, let's move related income and expense items into the box to create a clearer financial section. You can continue adding more elements into the box anytime to keep related content grouped together. And if you change your mind, simply drag items back out of the box whenever needed. Grouping content like this makes documents easier to scan and helps important sections stand out more clearly. You can also resize the box anytime. Simply drag one of the corners to increase or reduce the box size and better fit your content. Now, click directly on the box element to open its settings. On the right-hand side, you'll see Box Settings. Under Box Properties, you can change the color of the box to better match your document design or branding. You can also add a background image to the box. Choose Upload to add a new image, My Images to select one from your gallery, or enter URL to use an image link. Below that, you'll find Exceed Margins, which lets the box extend beyond normal page margins for wider layout flexibility. Once selected, controls also appear below the box. From here, you can quickly duplicate the box if you want to use the same layout structure elsewhere in the document. Or delete it instantly if you no longer need it. Boxes are especially helpful for organizing grouped summaries, highlighted sections, financial details, or related information blocks. Once you're done, let's preview the result. From the top right corner, turn Preview on to see exactly how grouped content appears in the final PDF. This helps confirm layout structure feels clean, organized, and easy to read before sharing or exporting. And that's how you can organize content with boxes in Jotform PDF Designer. Group related items, customize the appearance, and create more structured document layouts in seconds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.